Today I'm going to show you how to design email templates in Mailchimp. The advantage of designing an email template will allow you to do this once and repeat using it. So what we're going to do over here on the left hand side is we're going to go to campaigns, and under campaigns we will see email templates. Now let's go ahead, click on email templates, and these are all of our saved templates, right? What we can do over here on the top right is say create from scratch. This is when we actually build our own template. So this is a blank canvas. They've obviously just put this data in here so that you can see what to actually do. But if you click on it, you can go ahead and actually delete it. So let's go and delete all of these elements here. We're going to click on that, and there's our button, our socials. Okay, so that's fine. So what we're going to basically do now is we are going to, on the left hand side, while nothing is selected, you'll see all of your content blocks. Now let's say we want to add in a logo. Let's add one right over here to the top. So we've got our logo in the top here, and then if you click on it, you will see that you can actually edit the actual elements. So you can set your logo over here, and then if we're clicking away from here, we want to go and just say done, and we want to add some more over here. So let's say we want to add in an app content over there. Let's say done. Let's say we want to do a little product there. Lovely. So whatever we are adding in here, we can edit by clicking on it. You can move it around, you can duplicate it, you can delete it, and then you can actually configure it on the left hand side over here. So we've got the store. We're going to connect to the store, and you're going to add your product and so forth. Now once you're done, okay, you're going to say save and exit. Now you've got all of your templates over here. Okay, now once you have got your template, you can now go back to your dashboard. On the top right, it says create email. You're going to create an email. You're going to add in all of the details of your email. So we've got who it's going to, where it's coming from, what the subject is, the send time, and then the content. Now, once you get down to the content, you're going to click on design email, and it'll take you to the page where you can choose that template. All right. So if you go down to saved templates, you'll be able to find the templates that you have just saved. Now, if you'd like to use one of the templates that was created by Mailchimp, here you can go and use one of these. And once you click on any one of these, you can say apply, and you'll be able to create the email and send that out to your audience.